Greetings all, Dr. X here, good to see ya. All right, so we are now going to do a trial balance for Alice Wanders Trucking. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to identify where the normal balances are, either credit or debit for accounts. Let me click over and show you really quickly from the last video. Here is where we set up normal balances, we decided. The easiest way to do a trial balance is to first fill out the credit balances, the items that are on the normally balanced on the credit side, total that up, and then fill out the debit side. Now, I know if you're taking somebody else's class, they may tell you something different, but let me show you how easy and quick it is if you know where the normal balances are. If we look back at the normal balance information, accounts payable is on the credit side, balance is normally on credit. Our revenue balance is normally on credit. Owner's capital normally balances on credit. And wages payable, they are all on the credit side. So now let's go back and look and see which of those items are on part 3 of the homework here. So we see that accounts payable is, so we're going to enter accounts payable on the credit side. In Excel, all you have to do is hit the equal sign, go to the cell, click on it and hit enter. And accounts payable. There's also Wanders Capital that's in this particular equation. We'll enter that. There was no wages payable. There's a wages expense, but there is revenue. So revenue again was a normal balance on, where is it? Service fees was a normal balance on credit. So those are the 3 normal balances on credit. We're going to use Excel. The advantage of using Excel for your assignments is that you can use it for the formulas too. So we're going to have it sum everything on the credit balance. The total comes to $93,150. The objective of a trial balance is to get both the debits and the credits to balance. So remember what I said, you just put everything else will go on the debit side. So that includes cash, accounts receivable, supplies. Okay, you get the idea of it, right? So let me go through. I'm going to enter all of these on the debit side, and then I'll show you how to total it up after I'm done. So give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, and wages expense is the last one. So now again, we're just going to total up, have Excel total everything up for us, and notice that the debit side balances against the credit side. They match. So that means your trial balance is set and you're ready to go. So I'll just go back again. On the debit side, normal balances on debit are cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance, your equipment. So owner's draw. So even though it's owner's equity, drawing normally, because you're taking money out of the company, that will normally balance on the debit side. There's also all of the expenses, rent, utility, and wages. And now our trial balance is complete. So did you see how easy it was if you just enter credit and then everything else is debit? Then it all should balance out. Anyway, for this assignment and other assignments that are this simple, it should all balance out. All right, if you have questions about anything that came up in this video, including how I set up items here on the left, or what goes on the debit side versus what goes on the credit side, just any questions you might have about the video, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. I will respond as quickly as I'm able. And now you are done with this part of the homework. Congratulations. Thanks so much for watching.